Prepping it up. We just collected these eggs this morning. So we'll just do those 5. Pretty easy really. And just place them in. Just spread them out.
See you in 3 weeks, little chickies.
When we get back next week, when we get home, so probably on Tuesday, we'll take them out and do the torch thing to check and see if there's anything fertilised. And if they're not fertilised, take them out.
What he means by getting ready is we're heading to Sydney for a long weekend with our daughter-in-law and one of our grandchildren. So that's where we're headed for the weekend. Is that good? Grandpa's here? Like a monkey in the zoo, aren't you?
Yeah, it's all hairy.
Here's the gorillas. Here's the giraffes. That's a giraffe. Some big giraffes. What can you see, June? What are you doing? We just got back from a weekend away. You can really see the difference even in 3.5, 4 days. Yellowy one is getting its real feathers, adult feathers. We cleaned this brooder box out before we left. Had all the wood chips in there. Put this little bar in case they wanted to learn how to jump up on that, which they have. But all the wood chips now are under there and all over here and on the floor. So the job today is to clean it out. It's crazy how big they're getting. Getting close to 3 weeks. I think tomorrow this yellow one is 3 weeks old. You're clever, aren't you? It's the only one I've seen up on that roost. We'll see if this brown one goes up. You want to go up? And we're having a bit of rain. Good morning. I haven't got shoes on, so I'm not coming out yet. The time has come. It's time to pull out the garlic. It's not looking great, so we're not very optimistic that we're going to get big bulbs, but you never know. And onion's going okay, the brown onion. So it's got the flowers, so once the flowers die off, then we'll pull the onions, but for the time being, we're going to do the garlic, then prep it for something else. I feel like the soil didn't have enough organic matter, so we'll see what happens with the garlic. As I said, we're not that optimistic. The soil's crazy hard. The first one I pulled out, the plant was all dried up, and the bulb just fell apart. There was a couple of worms in there, which is strange because it's not feeling that great, this soil. Yeah, so that was the plant. But all the garlic looks okay. We might use it for replanting. And I've got one here which the bulb doesn't look that big. Dean's just going to get the shovel. I think the problem is trying to get it out is that put all the branches down underneath and then the soil, but I feel like the soil's just gone and we're hitting the branches. Going to take the opportunity to do a bit of maintenance on the bed. Well, the other ones are timber screws. We're also going to do a little bit of maintenance on the tomatoes because they're getting crazy big. So we're going to put these big star pickets in the middle because we need to be able to support the tomatoes. They're getting huge. Trim, trim, trim. The trick for tomatoes. Making that noise. These are all trimmed up now. Just put some string up the top. Help support it as it grows.
Maybe down that end.
No, but you can go over the bar.
Yeah.
lot of organic matter in it. What are we doing?
What?
What are we doing?
You know what we're doing. We're going to borrow a chicken tractor from our neighbour, which is the closest neighbour, which is probably 150 metres from the house, 200 metres. A lovely, beautiful, professionally made chicken tractor that's sitting in the yard. So
Not being used.
Natalie kindly said that we could borrow it, and then we'll have a look, see what it's like, and if it's any good, we might copy the design and make one for ourselves.
There it is.
We'll just pop it up onto there. Too late for that. Beautiful.
Nice.
Not very fast. I need to put this hook on. And come around that. And there's another one on this side. Then you go. Because otherwise you can't. Thinking.
Might get a new latch for it, must we? There we go. They'll like that grass. First time on grass. Snake proof. Only way a snake could get in if it gets underneath. Here they are. They're 3.5 weeks old. Getting their adult feathers in. So they're going through that ugly teenage stage. But they're getting big and there's not much room left in there. You're getting very big, aren't you? You want to go out on grass? The low is 18 tonight. In a few days' time, the low is going to be 12 degrees. So they definitely still need the heat lamp for the time being.
There's holes in it.
Oh.
And go like that. Another one on the other side.
Uh-huh. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Nice. I know.
Back in there.
See the water?
Ah, that actually really made.
Eating the grass straight away.